Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access App Management. After that, click on Default Apps under Screen Time at the top and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so when I click and tap on Firefox in order to apply it. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!